Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming at you with another wonderful video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you this wonderful tea that you're going to be able to make simple herbs from your kitchen. This isn't just for weight loss, but it's also for de-stress, because stress can have damaging effects on so many functions of our body, including losing weight as well as gaining weight. When our bodies is under stress, it releases cortisol and steroid hormones, which is your body's way of fighting the stress. It releases these cortisones and steroids. Now, the cortisones can affect the blood sugar levels and causes energy to be stored more rapidly as fat. So what we're going to do is show you these wonderful ingredients to make this great, powerful weight loss tea. All right? You're going to be needing some ginger root. You're also going to be needing 1 lemon, or should I say a half a lemon. And we're going to be working with something new, some sage. All right? As well as 2 cups of water. Now you're going to need a pan. We're going to start off by putting our water into our pan. So pour that into your pan. I've already started boiling my water in the pot. So now we're just going to be using a piece of our ginger root. So this is a teaspoon of ginger root, which you just chop that into pieces, mince it, whatever you need to do. Alright, that's what we're going to do right now. Chop, mince it, whatever it takes to extract that juice. Alright, now your pot is going to be on the stove for at least 5 minutes on a medium to low flame. And now we're going to be using our sage. Now we're going to need only 2 teaspoons of our sage and put that into our boiling water as well. Okay, so we're just going to boil our ginger and our sage together for like 5 minutes on a medium-low flame. So we're going to boil this for 5 minutes on low, and then we're going to allow it to steep as it cools down. Okay, you guys, so I am back. And what you're going to need for now is your cup. You're going to also need a strainer, okay? But for now, let's just squeeze this lemon, because you're going to need the juice of a half a lemon. Just cut our lemon, have that on the side. Now let's just strain our tea. Okay, it smells wonderful. If you like the smell of sage, this is another wonderful way to infuse the sage, even if it's to just leave it on the stove low and boil. If you like the smell of it in your house, this is wonderful. Okay. Alright, so now we're just going to squeeze a half of our lemon inside of our cup. And there you have it, you guys. Now you can drink this tea twice a day, okay, in the morning on an empty stomach, as well as right before bed if you choose you want to drink it later on, or even before lunch, 20 minutes before you have your next meal, you can drink this tea. Now if you choose you want to sweeten it, you can sweeten it with some organic honey, some agave, grade A maple syrup, stevia, okay? But there you have it, you guys. This wonderful, awesome weight loss tea that's going to help to get your body ready. Another awesome benefit of drinking the sage tea is that it's going to help to reduce the intensity of those menopausal symptoms. So if you ladies are going through that extensive hot flash symptoms and that itchiness or dryness, well listen, this is going to help to reduce those symptoms as well. So for all of you menopausal women, this tea is for you. So if you're having that excessive hot flashes and sweating, as well as memory loss, this sage tea is just what you need. Now, if you're a person that suffers from stress, like if you're always stressed out, this is also a really nice tea to calm down, especially in the evenings before bed. So this is going to help us to calm our body down, de-stress, because when your body's stressful, you cannot lose weight because you're under that stress. So this is a wonderful calming tea to help you to de-stress your body. And with the powerful, wonderful ingredients, it's also going to help you to lose that weight, okay? So thank you so much, you guys. If you want to see more videos like this with just simple herbs that you have in your kitchen that you can boil, let me know right now. Hit that like button, and also let me know down below in the description bar if you want to see more of these wonderful herbs in your kitchen that is great for weight loss, you guys. And like I said, this is going to help you to flush your body, help you to lose that weight. Have this 1 to 2 times a day. Add a little lemon for taste. If you want, you can also add a little honey for taste. Add your ginger and you're good to go. So thank you again for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that like button. Turn your notifications also on to all so you will never miss another one of these great weight loss. And also before leaving, check down below for links for the metal straws, for the NutriBullet blenders, as well as other wonderful things that you may not be able to get in your part of town that you can order down below and receive these items, okay? And also don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare videos, family challenges, and clothing hauls on that channel. And until the next time, you guys, don't forget, your big sis loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.